We have a summer program, which is our biggest program. It's our original program, started in 1982, and we hire about 180 teenagers that live in Columbia or attend a Columbia school, and we place them at different work sites throughout the summer. But they are City of Columbia employees, so they work for the city, they get paid by the city through the C.A.R.E program, but we place them at different work sites throughout the community so that they can gain the paid, real-world, hands-on work experience. Our C.A.R.E trainees can work at just about any work site that has minimum wage labor available for them to do. So some of the best ones are restaurants and child care centers and retail stores because there's always stuff to keep them busy.
I participated in the C.A.R.E program in 2015 and 2017. The thing I enjoyed most was I had my own source of revenue and some experience as well, so getting other jobs was a lot easier. Skills that are pretty good for just having, some of the first jobs I had were janitorial and sweeping and mopping and wiping down tables. Those are pretty transferable. Earning my own money was, it was great. I could get what I wanted. If there was a cool game that I wanted or a new toy or something, I could just get it. I don't have to ask my mom or my dad or anybody. Well, I just learned basic stuff like time management, having a plan, a ride to and from work, and what to do in case of an emergency, like if your ride doesn't make it, if they can't get you, backup plan, a backup plan. Having a job, especially one in customer service, and you're forced to interact with people. You need to get information from them and your coworkers and everybody, so having a job really opened me up.
The reason I applied for the C.A.R.E program was because I asked for a lot of things, so my parents usually tell me to get a job, so yeah, that's what I wanted to do, so I can get my own stuff.
If you're a 14 to 20-year-old here in Columbia, or you're the parent of a 14 to 20-year-old, or you know somebody that needs a summer job, that needs that experience, they need the opportunity to learn those soft skills and make some money. Our trainees make minimum wage, which is now $8.60 an hour. Our trainees probably, depending on how many hours they work, they can make over $1,000, maybe $1,200 in a summer of work, and they're gaining real-world hands-on work experience. Applications open in November. We do encourage people to apply as soon as possible, so early January is better than waiting until the end of February. But then February 28th, the applications close. We're doing interviews in February and into early March, and then we'll narrow down who we offer positions to. If you know a 14 to 20-year-old that could benefit from this program, they just need to get on the city's website and apply for a job.